Basically guys, what you're looking at right now is the update of my BARUDAN machine. Let me show you right here. If you guys wanna do this update in your machine, this is a new version that come out basically the 14th of the past month. Basically it's a new system and it got a lot of stuff right here. It give you all the directions right here how you guys can do it. It's super easy. Basically guys, what you're looking at right now is the update of my BARUDAN machine. Let me show you right here. If you guys wanna do this update in your machine, this is a new version that come out basically the 14th of the past month. Basically it's a new system and it got a lot of stuff right here. It give you all the directions right here how you guys can do it. It's super easy, and right here is doing it, and super complete new version. We will see what is new, but it's not been updated since 20, depending what you got in there. You will see an update from different parts of the software. Once is in the 2021 and another one, the latest was in 2023, and basically is done right here. And well, according with the instructions, I gotta reboot the machine. It's ready, it's already been updated. It took a few minutes, and well, super easy, nothing to fear about. I'm gonna put the links down below right here. But if you have any of these models, mine is this one, the BEKT, the ending in CB3. So if you got one of these models right here, you can have a new basically update of the K series, and it's easy to do. You just download this zip file on the computer. Make sure you got a new or clean USB, then download this file on the computer like the way. Let me show you guys right in here. Is right here, as you guys can see, it's a zip file. Then you guys unzip it and you open this file, copy this guy right here the way it is in the root of your USB. For those guys that don't know what is the root, basically it's basically a clean USB inside, completely clean, and you just drop it right there. Grab it and drop it inside the USB. Then grab this guy right here. Basically you guys hold the origin, well, turn it off the computer, hold the origin button, then press basically the power on and keep holding this. Don't release it until you see basically this screen right here. As soon as you see this screen, make sure this is in gray color. Make sure this one is gray in order to update it. Basically this is the new update you will see right here. This is the new basically software, and as soon as you see that, just highlight it and hold this. This J is gonna be in a different color. I think it was red. I completely forgot, but just hold this one and you will hear beep 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 beep, beep until you see the update on this. And I'm gonna start from the system, and then it's gonna go to the bottom until it says complete. Then the only thing you guys gotta do is like the instruction says over here. Let me show you, super easy. After you finish right over here, after you update, turn it off and turn it off the power and restart. After completing the software updates, turn off the power to exit the update menus off, and that's it. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna power it off, then we're gonna power it on. Probably is gonna, let's see where it is gonna take us. Now you guys can see. Let's see where we're going. We're gonna check it out. This probably I gotta do what these guys are telling me to do. I don't think it's. Let's take a look. Oh, okay, good. Okay, now let's press enter. Let's go and check. But we're going in settings. Make sure you gotta check the version you guys have. And let's see. Okay, you guys can see it right here. The operational system is 2025. We got this one updated. Let's see. This one it was updated too. And the Linux is still the same. CS boot is still the same, but we have this updated. And let's gonna take a look what we got new in here. Oh yeah, I see a bunch of different stuff in here that I cannot distinguish what it was different. A recommendation: take a picture of the settings. That way you're not gonna lose like me. I think this is new. I think so. And this guy right here, it looks new. I don't know. Well, let's see. Let's go back. And my bad. Let's see what is new in here. If we see something new. Basically doesn't look any difference like to visual, but I know it's a different thing. You guys can see right over here. It's a bunch of stuff. You know, you will see all the difference depending the this is the BA40. Yeah, it's different updates. It's huge, and according to this, it's fixing a lot of problems, bugs, and different things in this update. And that's great, because one of the things I noticed right here, I remember somebody was complaining about, let me see, I lost it right here. It was a problem with let me see right here with this plate right here. I remember it was a little problem, and they have to add some kind of a piece in order to make it work or something like that. I don't remember exactly. Probably, I don't remember, but I remember a lot of people complaining about something. They have to ask BARUDAN in order to fix the problem. And you see, look at this compatibility with a new tension assembly. There's a lot of stuff in here. I don't know if all this is for this machine, maybe not, maybe all this, whatever it is for the machine, it's gonna, oh look, I add a chenille feature to the K series, and it's a lot of, it's a first version for KT Automat. Okay, well, probably it's probably fixing errors and stuff like that. Auto write cancel mode added. It's a ton of stuff right here, and I'm gonna make sure, I'm gonna check it out this with in the next expo in Atlantic City. I'm gonna check it out this, and I'm gonna let you guys know a little bit about this update and fix the issue, the blue screen error. I don't know, probably some guys have these problems. It's a lot of stuff in here. Very, very nice stuff. I was reading this, and it's very nice. First version KT Automat, chenille, KT compatibility, tension assembly, chain fatal error of just error plus code number. Well, I don't know. I didn't experience that. Added blue button to network setup. Okay, added error. Okay. 3-speed settings in frame trace. It's a bunch of stuff. This is so nice, guys. This is so nice. Even you don't see a lot of difference in there, but well, everything that fix errors, I love it. You know, things like I'm not experiencing right now. Okay, this one, other one looks fixed. TMK trimmer issue due to magnetic encoder misadjustment. That's a nice update right there. Let's see, it's a ton of stuff, guys. Take a look of this. This is huge. This is huge. Auto debug screen. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff in here. And like I told you, if you got one of these models right here, just download it, do what I told you, and well, that's it, guys. I'm gonna leave it right here because it's too long. But as you guys can see, everything is good. Let's see the network. Oh yeah, I see difference right here. I see some difference right here. You guys let me know, compare this one. Let's see the edit. I don't know if you guys see any difference. The memory, and let's see the USB. Yeah, I got the file. No, I got no file because I got basically the removing this. Let's see. Yeah, everything is okay. Well, but I see a difference right here. I don't know what is added. I think it's this guy and probably this guy right there. And oh, Mark 8. Let's see what it does. Mark 8 thread length. I don't know. Yeah, basically I use for just, in my case, I use this just for, okay, let's check it out. This, what is the, oh, okay. Disable LAN Bluetooth. Okay, this is a new feature right here. I didn't have this one. Okay, yes, a lot of stuff in here. So, well, guys, there you have it. See you guys in another Just My review. Bye bye, thumbs up, and see you guys later. Bye bye.